Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Okay, let's be serious. This is my first video, so I'm a bit shy. I don't know what to do with myself. I keep on fidgeting. But anyway, let's get to it. A lot of you guys have been asking me about my gray hair. I see why. So I did a video on how I dyed this hair gray. I got this hair from Amy Manny Hair. It's in Durban, but they shipped it here since I stay in Pretoria. I'm absolutely in love with this hair, guys. I recommend you guys buy your hair from Amy Manny Hair. Do use code Belinda. So in this video, I'll be showing you how I dye my hair gray. I initially got it from Amy Manny Hair gray, but they used the toner to make it gray, so the gray washed off, and then I had to dye it again. I'm not complaining because I initially wanted blonde hair, but I guess they left the toner on for too long and it got gray, and I actually fell in love with the gray. So I was like, nah, don't change it, I love it. So after a few washes though, the toner did come off. That's what toner does, it comes off, because it's basically used to take away the yellowness in the blonde hair. That's what I wanted. I was like, let me dye this bitch gray because I loved the gray. So here we are, all gray. Let me not talk too much, let me jump into it. Let me show you how I got this gray look.
I'm using this reNEW Perfect Color kit. As you can see, I bought 3. I played myself. You need at least 4 or 5 packets of this, and 1 packet is 100 rand. Inside each box you get this reNEW lightening powder, reNEW developer for the powder, reNEW permanent color cream, the reNEW permanent color developer, the shine serum, a pair of gloves, a brush, and 2 conditioning treatments. The first step is to bleach your hair. Bleach it as many times as possible. I think mine was bleached 3 times. Now my hair is already blonde. I don't need this. I've just put on my gloves to prevent any staining, and I'm ready to mix my permanent color developer with my permanent color cream. I've used all 3 packs. This is my 3rd pack that I'm using right now, and I just want to show you guys how I mix it all up together. The cream is such a hassle. You guys really need to get in there. And then I just use my brush and mix it all up. So we're gonna mix that all up until it's creamy, and it's just a creme de la creme, creamish. You then section out your hair like this. I find it easier to dye my hair with sections in it. Just make sure your sections are not too thick, because it may cause the dye to not reach all the strands. And this is the final look. My hair is looking all gray. Even though I had 3 packs, it still looks good, but you can still see a bit of blonde in there. Look at how fly a sister looks in this gray hair.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel so I can give you guys more videos. And please do suggest what kind of videos you want. You know, it's all about feedback, communication. I need you guys. So thank you so much. Mwah!